So we are going to put chest tube in a child 3 years 8 months old suffering from empyema left side. So what we have done till now, just we have sterilized the area by betadine spirit, then betadine, then spirit. Then we will locate the site where we have to put the tube. Before this, we have done the Xylocan test. So we have given 0.1 ml of Xylocan subcutaneously for test. It was the test dose, and test was negative. So the child is not reactive to Xylocan. So this is mandatory, because sometimes what happens, even with Xylocan there will be severe reaction. So we have to test it. Then what we will do, we will give local infiltration of Xylocan at the site where we will have to put the chest tube. So we have made 1% preparation of Xylocan plus adrenaline, because adrenaline will act as a vasoconstrictor, so there will be less chance of bleeding. So at first, where to put the chest tube? So this is the nipple. So this is the nipple. So in the nipple line, just we have to locate the area, and see, we have come here at one minute. Please hold the hand. Someone please hold the hand. So we have to put the chest tube in the fourth or fifth intercostal space in the mid-axillary line. So there is a triangle of safety. So triangle of safety is made by this pectoralis major muscles, latissimus dorsi muscles posteriorly. Anteriorly there is pectoralis, posteriorly there is latissimus dorsi, and arbitrarily the base is by the axilla. So here where I have put the finger, this is the mid axillary line, triangle of safety, and with the needle cap I will mark. So from nipple we have come here in the mid axillary line in the triangle of safety. So this is the triangle of safety, and just I have to put a mark with needle cap so that there will be easy location of this area. Okay, very good. Now what I will do, so we have to sedate the child, because if we will not sedate the child, there may be shock. So for sedation we will have to give midazolam or lorazepam. So we will give lorazepam because it causes less respiratory depression and less cardiovascular effect. So give lorazepam. So we will use lorazepam in the dose of 0.05 milligram per kg. So just we have already prepared, and we will give this lorazepam. Okay. Now we have already prepared 1% Xylocan, and we will infiltrate the Xylocan at the site of tube insertion. Give Xylocan.
6 ml है, आपको जितना लगाना होगा। आपने 4 लगाया।
It is 1%.
हाँ 1%। 4 आपने 2 जगह पर लगाया था, तो मैंने 4 + 2 लेके इसमें 6 कर दिया। For the periosteum and infiltrate the periosteum.
That's why I am infiltrating in the periosteum now. feeling the progesterone and just I am going inside. Okay.
जो बोनी दोनों पार्ट फील हो रहा है उसमें
इसका जो बोनी पार्ट फील मोस्ट पेनफुल वही होता है.
So just I am aspirating and here there is pus coming out. You can see this. Pus is coming out. See, this is frank pus. Please look at this. This is frank pus coming out. It means there is pus inside and we are in the pleural cavity. So it is clear. Okay. Now
गॉज पीस
after doing this is the pus. So if you have already taken the pus for examination, it is good. If not, then you can. Okay, good. So now let the Xylocan act. Give 30 seconds for Xylocan to act. In between, we will prepare the chest tube. So give the chest tube. So we will take 16 number chest tube and we will prepare it. Doctor.
पानी लगा देना उसमें.
This is the chest tube. So we have to prepare the chest tube first. So you can see there are so many eyes in the chest tube. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So there are so many eyes. So at first we have to measure the distance. Up to what distance we have to put the chest tube. Okay. So just I am measuring from the mid of the sternum and then I will prepare this. So what is the mark? 6, approximately 5, 6. Okay. Now what we'll do, just we'll put one eye and cut the remaining eye. So this is the one eye and it will be better to cut with the knife and a straight cut. Here we'll take a straight cut. Here we will take a slant. Yes. So we should do the straight blade. So we'll cut here and we'll keep just one eye.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just one eye. After this, just a straight cut. Yeah. This is straight cut. So okay. So just we have cut. Now slant cut will be in the other end of the tube. So slant cut. So slightly, yeah. So yes. So just we have cut the tube, prepared, and then now
इसके पीछे
what
एक
will
पार्ट
you do?
होगा.
So we'll just yes, it is here. So just we'll insert this and then where is the collecting chamber?
उसको भी काटना होगा.
Just cut that also.
आगे वाला पार्ट.
Yeah. So front cut. You just cut the front of this with the same blade you can cut.
I will give you the blade which I did not use.
Okay. Cut it.
थोड़ा स्लैंट मारना ना.
So what we have to do, just insert this and connect this to the collecting bag. Okay. So she is preparing the collecting tube by cutting, and then first we have to prepare it. And have you filled some water?
पानी भर दिया.
Okay. So now this is prepared, and you just take it. Sterilize?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just take it and just insert this gently. Okay, and fit it into this. So we have now prepared the chest tube. Now chest tube is ready to be inserted, and in the meantime we have given sufficient time for Xylocan to act, and already we have used sedative in the form of lorazepam. So now we are ready to insert the chest tube. So what will you do?
clamp the chest tube and disconnect with this.
Yeah, we can do.
Insertion बाद में insert
We can do. No problem.
एक बार check हो गया connect हो गया अब निकाल दो बस
Okay, no problem.
अब इसको clamp कर दो
Clamp it.
इसको ये छोड़ दीजिए अभी बाद में clamp कर दो
Yes. Okay, now what we just in the sterile zone. In the sterile zone. Okay. Now we will gently put a cut in the area defined. Already you have defined the area here. It will come here. Okay. So idea is to go above the rib because on the lower side of rib there are neurovascular bundles. So if you will go below the rib, you can injure that. So go above the rib in the intercostal space, 4th or 5th in the mid-axillary line. So just we will put.
अच्छा इसमें इतना बड़ा आर्टरी प्रोसेस चलेगा
छोटी
देखा था इसमें छोटा पता नहीं
ये है क्या मैम? ये वाला ये नीडल होल्डर है।
ये तो नहीं हो रहा है
अच्छा
बस आर्टरी तो एक ही है
So
दूसरा साइड
nice. So just to, it is clear what we have to do. We will just cut here slightly more than the size of the tube, and then we will okay.
हाँ क्योंकि तुमने वो पकड़ा है ना वो
Yes, this is good. Yes.
थोड़ा गोल
Hold it properly. Okay. So just we are putting a nick here in the intercostal space, and then what will you do? After this, slightly more deep, just cut the skin and subcutaneous tissue, then we will dissect the muscle. Okay, it is fine. Now we will dissect the muscles. So we will take the forceps, and now with this forceps we will dissect. So go inside with closed forceps and come out with the open forceps, so that there will be proper dissection. Go inside with closed and come out with open, and there will be dissection. Just hold the child. Come out with the open, go with closed. Okay, this is good. Go with closed inside and come out with open. Pierce with closed and come out with open. Yes. So there will be a feeling of when you are piercing an inflated balloon. Okay. So madam has pierced. Okay, very good. So now it will give a feeling of just you are piercing an inflated balloon. Okay. So hold with one forceps. Okay. Hold with the forceps. Don't be in a hurry. No problem. Take your time. No problem. Yes. So okay. Just take the straight forceps. It will be better. Straight forceps. Take the straight. It is not
दूसरा साइड को लॉक करा जाए
straight forceps will be better. So this is empyema. So we will put the open it. Oh, okay. So now
अब देखना कितना डाला ये 6 8
5. Okay, no problem. 6 we can insert, no problem. Keep it in downward and posteriorly. When piercing the chest tube, go downward and posteriorly because it is empyema. If it is pneumothorax, then we will go upside and anteriorly. Okay. So just open the forceps now.
वो दे दो अभी ये मत लगाओ सिंचरी कर लेते पहले
दूसरा ले लीजिए बस अब थोड़ा
Connect with the tube. Connect. Then we will open it. Connect. Water is filled. In the tracking the water is filled. Some saline is filled. Saline. Okay, very good. So put it, yes, with some pressure and it will go. It will go. Yeah. Yes. Very good. With this movement, spring movement, some spring movement. Yeah. This is good. Go inside. Okay. Now. Okay. Very good. Now open the forceps. Okay. Open it. No problem. Okay. So this pus is coming out. Okay. Now pus is coming out. You can see it. You can see this pus is coming out freely. Okay. Very good. So one minute. I have to discard this. One minute. Leave it. No problem.
Down.
ये बाहर आ गया काफी
No problem. I will do it.
अच्छा कर सकते हैं क्या बात
I will do it. No problem.
क्या बात आ गया तो हमने तो 6 8 से रख देते हैं
1 minute. No problem. See, it is coming freely.
Yes,
Air column movement. It is there.
ऐसी आई जा रही है अभी तो
Okay, it is there.
yes sir.
Okay, I will just locate the exact position. Then we will put the switcher. Okay.
फिर कॉलम देखते रहो जरा
Okay, movement is there.
बहुत सारी पास निकल गई
Okay.
थोड़ा सा क्लैंप कर दे एक साथ बहुत सा क्लैंप ले
Weight of the child is what? 16. 10 ml per kg. 160 ml at a time we can drink. It is more than 160 ml.
260 तक आना चाहिए 250 हो गया सर
बस अभी थोड़ा क्लैंप कर दे
Okay,
बाहर निकालेंगे
then clamp it, no problem. So now we will put the switcher, Salto switcher. Okay. This will be Salto switcher. So see the switcher, how we are putting the switcher. This is Salto switcher. Yeah. Take both. This side also.
मैं बता देती हूँ
Okay. 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 So we are just putting the switcher and cut the needle. You have cut the needle. Cut the needle. No problem.
सीजर भी है हरे कृष्णा
yes ma'am
Just cut.
नीडल काटने के लिए कुछ भी दे दो सीजर दे दो सीजर पड़ी उसमें ये जाके काट दो एंड टेक द नीडल
Okay. So just do roundabout and just
पहले एक स्टिच लगा दो तब लगाओ
yeah. One knot, 2 knot. No problem. Then yes. Now one more knot. Then take a roundabout with one thread. Yeah, with one thread only.
ये बताओ
Yeah. 4 to 6.
हो गया बच्चा
And tie properly. Okay. Yes. It is good now. One. Yes.
I can take once more also
Yeah. Tightly. Just yeah. Now it is good. Now
नॉट लगाऊंगी तो एक बार फिर से
Okay. नहीं निकलेगा जस्ट गिव द पैकिंग now packing so one gauze piece with betadine soaked in betadine गॉस पीस सोप मीटर।
इतना सारा कहा, अगर हम ऐसे निकाल दे तो क्या बनेगा इसका?
नहीं, बहुत उसमें एक्सरे में दिख रहा था। लार्ज कलेक्शन ऑफ बस।
बीटर दीजिए।
Take
X-ray
betadine soap gauze piece
बता दूँ।
and put around this, put around the tube once. No. Make a thin like this.
ऐसे ऐसे देखो, ऐसे
Yes. And soak it properly. Show me. Yeah, this now it is good. Now put around the tube.
लोकल साइट इन्फेक्शन के लिए लगाते हैं सर इसको।
नहीं, वैसे भी बीटाडीन होना चाहिए किसी की होल किया है अपने बॉडी के अंदर।
And then we will now make a breeze so that
हाँ,
tube will be in the place.
3 वे में बनाना है, बड़ा काटना उसको
पहले तो
3।
गॉज रखेंगे ना फिर उसके ऊपर।
No, directly you can put, no problem.
चलो।
So it is sufficient. So make a
पकड़ ले
breeze. How will you make?
या कोई ऐसा पकड़े जो ग्लव्स से
मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ।
सिस्टर जी आपको लगाना पड़ेगा ग्लव्स, या तो
1 minute.
या चलो मैं लगाता हूँ
हाँ, ये थोड़ा कम कर।
थोड़ा सा। हाँ बस,
हाँ, और सेंटर में कट चाहिए।
सेंटर में 2
सेंटर में
कट
ऐसा एक पोज चाहिए पूरा।
ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना।
नहीं, सेंटर में सिंपल कट नहीं चाहिए, सिंपल कट
मुझे
चाहिए।
यहाँ तक काट देना, 2 इधर करना।
हाँ, तो बीच का एक पोर्शन भी चाहिए ना कोई।
हाँ,
हाँ,
और थोड़ा डीप,
थोड़ा डीप
थोड़ा लंबा काट।
और लंबा और
बस।
ऐसा ही एक और भी चाहिए वाले अभिषेक।
Okay.
इसके ग्लव्स उतार।
So what we have to do? Put from one this side and another from this side. And
एक बार ये खोल दें। तो कैसा डिस्ट्रेस है इसको? खोल
बस
दें।
एक बार फिक्स हो जाए फिर खोलो।
1 minute just.
पल्स नीचे खोल देखेगा इसका, पल्स एटलीस्ट पल्स वाली चाहिए बस।
So see how we are making this. So this is we are making so that the tube will be at the proper place. So just we have attached with the gauze piece soaking betadine, and now we are making this. Yeah, so this breeze. So this breeze will hold the tube on the place, and one will be on this side. Just paste it. Yeah.
इसके चारों तरफ लगा दें।
ठीक है यार, बड़ा
नहीं, इसको चारों तरफ लगा दें, दूर से पकड़ ले।
Tube, yeah. Yes, now it is good. Yes. And one from this side. And just do like this. Our process will be
सारा मत
complete.
खोल, सारा खोलेगा ना तो वो
So
चिपकेगा सारा।
our process will be complete after putting this.
इसको
Another
लगा, इसको चिपका कर देंगे।
from this side. Put like this from this side. Like this. Same like this. Yeah. Now it is correct. Take it out. Take this point. Yeah. Oh yes, it is good. Pack it properly.
इसको तो पकड़।
So this is paste it in the tube, the mid portion, and 2 side portion will be on the chest wall, so that it will hold the tube properly. So cover this portion also.
और कितना अंदर का किया है?
Cover it to the side. Take one piece and just cover it. So now the process is complete, and pus is coming out through the tube. It is going in the collecting bag. Thank you very much. Process is over.